FET may decline 4% tomorrow, Traders Union reports. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. As of the latest update, FET is down 3.6% in the past 24 hours and is trading close to $0.1706. Let's step into today's projections now. Traders Union expects the price to reach $0.1637 tomorrow, a retreat of approximately 4%. FET could trend downward to 17 cents, according to coin price forecast, about 0.3% down. CoinCodex notes it might move higher towards $0.1732, roughly 1.6% up. Another estimate by 30 Rates suggests FET could edge upward to $0.1761, a projected increase near 3.3%. And lastly, Gulf Capital Collector expects the price to reach $0.1869 by tomorrow, 9.6% up. This is the strongest return outlook of all. All 5 predictions are done. Let's move on. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. After pulling together all available outlooks, the market may move between a decrease of 4% and a gain of 9.6%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Gulf Capital Collector predicts the highest return with 9.6% surge in value by tomorrow. From this, it's clear you could earn between $3 and $96 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probabilities, Coin Price Forecast takes the lead, holding a 97.4% chance of success. By collecting the forecasts side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. The average outlook positions FET at about $0.174. Here's the full picture. The consensus red points to price up by 2%. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. With a 1,000 base, the move could equal about $20 in potential return. The chance of this consensus scenario occurring is assessed at approximately 94.1%. Coming up, let's find out what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. Traders Union expects the chart to tilt downward. Coin Price Forecast describes price action as muted. CoinCodex anticipates further appreciation for FET. FET is expected to continue moving higher, 30 Rates also suggests. The projection from Gulf Capital Collector also points to higher ground for FET. The consensus brings analyst forecasts together and points to FET moving higher over the next 3 days. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates FET may gain ground in the short term. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Yesterday gave us the results to compare. In the end, the final close was $0.177. In the end, 4 out of 5 got the direction right. Digital coin price had the most spot on prediction. Now it's time to go through the results systematically. Yesterday's range included 2 forecasts inside. When it comes to ROI, a handful of positive outcomes emerged, with the best return of 4.7%. Up next, the results view, a clear picture of how all forecasts worked out. In the data, digital coin price shows 94.3% forecast probability and 2% ROI. See if you can spot the forecast that proved most accurate. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's potential returns compare between FET and a few others. According to tomorrow's forecasts, FET takes first place with 2% potential return. Here we're showing FET alongside 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already there on my website. That's all for now. Subscribe to keep the chain going and see the full picture. See you back here tomorrow.